Froy, Whernside. Yeah. Another day, another leak. So I'm in the master bedroom again. There's the window. And there's the chimney breast. So we had a water leak up here, the front edge of the chimney. A fairly small one, but enough to make you feel depressed. Let me give you a little bit of a close-up. So this is the front side of the chimney breast. The water leak was here on this front corner. Wasn't very big. Damp patch came up to around here, this kind of line, just around here, back in, and just down here a bit. So it's probably only about 150 mil long this way, and about 20 mil back here. And it's dried out already. I've got a photo of the leak where it was around here, so I'll add in that photo now so you can see it. Not a major leak, but yeah, like I said, enough to have you concerned. Look at that view. Beauty, mate, beauty. So there's the chimney behind me. I'm stood on this flat roof above our bedroom. And that's the chimney. That sunset, beauty. This is the chimney stack. Maybe not in the best condition, not too bad, but you can see places like here where it's going to need to be repointed at some point. Bearing in mind this is a 1965 chimney. Looks a bit worse for wear up the top here. This side looks okay, but again quite bad at the top. You can see all the concrete's chipped off this top piece. That cable securing my aerial, that's the neighbour's one. The cable securing my aerial, you can see it's quite rusty and not in great condition. Probably could do replacing as well. This side looks generally okay. A couple of places that could do with filling, but generally the mortar looks fine. Mainly this front edge, this front face here, just in a couple of places. Yeah, flashing here. It looks okay, I think. No obvious signs of water ingress there, so yeah, it looks okay. Yeah, so look at this edge. This is the top stone to the chimney. I'm not sure what the technical name is. But you can see the metal rebar in the concrete is exposed to the elements where this edge is all chipped away at some point. This front face is fine. And that's how it should be. So this is the top of the chimney stack, on top of the roof. It's the neighbour's chimney pot. We've got a bit of mortar missing there that needs preparing. This is ours. You can see just poking out the top here. That's the flue going up the chimney. And got this crusty pot on top. It looks semi-weatherproof, but it's like it's been... It looks like there's a metal plate under here that's been mortared down to the top of this chimney. And the mortar's not in great condition, so I think that needs to be chipped off and redone. Not sure how well you can see that. It might actually. Thinking that needs a new chimney pot actually, with that rusty hole. Okay. This is the neighbours. Big hole. I'm kind of thinking this might be causing the issue on our side. Obviously it's a shared chimney. And the leak was on the front side of the chimney in our bedroom, so it's clear their flue goes up the front side and the hole is on the front side. My Inspector Clouseau senses are telling me this beauty's the issue. R1, although it looks crusty, there's no huge holes anywhere. I'm thinking this is the issue. Luckily the neighbour fits boilers and fires for a living, and he had some fire cement. So he just came up, smudged on a load of the fire cement, filled the hole. Fingers crossed, that's it. Time will tell. Wait for the next downpour and see if we have a damp patch in the bedroom. Very cool.